Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most luxurious lobster roll ever. That's right, things are about to get clawsome.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's make some lobster rolls. First up, so we're going to start by chopping some chives. Put those chives, in a bowl. Woo! Now we need some parsley. Now we need some come on. Where the frig are the leaves? There we go. The best way to cut herbs is to ball them up before you start chopping. It's called a chiffonade. About 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley. Cilantro also goes really well with lobster, but it's totally up to you what herb you use. Herbs go in a bowl. Let's get lobster ring. Yeah. Now let's get this meat out of the lobster. Oh, he's a big boy. There he is. There he is. You want to remove this ligament thing in each of the claws. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Oh yeah. Do I want to eat this right now? Yes, I do. A little bit of lobster meat from here. Chopsticks are a really good tool to get the hard to reach places. Ooh, just like that. Yeah, look at that. Heroes on the half shell, lobster power. See, we use a chopstick. Pew, all the meat is out. We're gonna remove the legs. Whoop, remove the legs. Yeah. Then I'm also gonna break open the, yeah. Beautiful lobster tail, look at that. The best way to get the meat out of the little legs is to roll a thing like that, and then it all comes out. Yeah. Lobster meat. Oop, that's a juicy one. It's gonna smell like lobster today. And this is what you're left with. Gold. Now we're gonna chop it up a little bit. You wanna cut these into relatively large chunks because it's more fun to eat. Hi. I'm gonna keep some of the claw meat intact because I find it makes the presentation nicer. It makes the presentation nicer. In the bowl it goes. Make sure to not throw away the carcass because you can turn it into a really nice lobster stock if you're into that sort of thing. Lobster stocks are always a good investment. I'm gonna zest 1 clove of garlic. Preferably no human skin goes in there. Whoop. Yeah, everyone loves garlic, except vampires. The zest of 1 lemon also. So now I'm gonna put in about 1 tablespoon of crème fraîche. Boop, 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 boop. Traditionally you would use mayonnaise, but I find that the lobster is sweet enough without the mayo, so I like to use crème fraîche. It gives it a much more rich and savory taste. Exactly. 1 teaspoon of cayenne. Woo. You can put less cayenne, but I like my lobster rolls spicy. I'm also gonna do a splash of sherry vinegar, just a little bit. A little pinch of salt. Ooh. Little freshly crackles goes in. Don't mind this guy, it's so you can see this. Mix all that together, yeah. That's pretty. You need to go back to another place now. So this is the moment you wanna give it a taste to see if it's missing anything like salt or acid or love. Now we're gonna toast our bun. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We'll be right back after these messages. There's no messages. A little bit of mayo on the inside. Boop, boop, boop. I'm also gonna lay down a lettuce leaf. Now we add our lobster. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Beautiful pieces of lobster there. There it is, look at that. And that's how you lobster roll. Do a lobster roll. Let's get in there. Oh yeah, unreasonable. The sweetness from the lobster and kick from the cayenne, forget about it. Lobster season is here. Bye, friends.